Exercise 3.2, third question. Draw the graphs of the given polynomials, find the zeros, justify the answers. So, here p of x equal to x square minus x minus 12. So, for this polynomial, we need to find out the zeros of this polynomial with respect to graph. So, now I want to take 0. I want to take x equal to 0. If we are taking x equal to 0, p of 0 equal to 0 square minus 0 minus 12. 0 minus 0 minus 12 equal to minus 12. So I am taking p of 1, x equal to 1. P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 minus 12. 1 minus 1 minus 12. 1 1 cancel, we are getting minus 12 again. Next, x equal to 2. If we are taking x equal to p of 2, p of 2 value 2 square minus 2 minus 12. 2 square equal to 4 minus 2 minus 12. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 12 minus 10. Next, if we are taking x equal to 3, p of 3, p of 3 equal to 3 square minus 3 square minus 3 minus 12. 3 square equal to 9 minus 3 minus 12. So 9 minus 3 6 minus 12 minus 6. Next, x equal to 4 I am taking p of 4. In this equation I want to substitute x equal to 4. 4 square minus 4 minus 12. 4 square equal to 16 minus 4 minus 12 16. 16 minus 16 0. Next, x equal to 5. One more. After we are getting 0. Next, we will find p of 5. P of 5 equal to 5 square minus 5 minus 12. 5 square 25 minus 5 minus 12. 25 minus 5 20 minus 12 8. So, if we observe minus 12, minus 12, minus 10, minus 6, 0, 8. So these are increasing. So next it will be more than 8. So I will take the values. So x values less than 0. So x equal to minus 1 I am taking. If we are taking x equal to minus 1, p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square. Next, minus of minus 1 minus 12. So minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 12. 1 plus 1 2 minus 12 equal to minus 10. Next, x equal to minus 2. P of minus 2 equal to x equal to minus 2 I am substituting. Minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 plus minus 12. Minus 2 whole square equal to plus 4. Minus of minus 2 equal to plus 4 minus 12. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 minus 12 minus, actually this is minus of minus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Next, I want to substitute x equal to minus 3. If we are taking x equal to minus 3, p of minus 3 equal to minus 3 whole square minus of minus 3 minus 12. Minus 3 whole square 9 minus of minus 9 minus of minus 3 plus 3 minus 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Next, x equal to minus 4 I am taking. P of minus 4 equal to minus 4 whole square minus of minus 4 minus 12. So minus 4 whole square equal to plus 16. Minus of minus 4 plus 4 minus 12. So it is equal to 16 plus 4 20 minus 20 minus 12 8. So now I want to take table. So x value y equal to x square minus x minus 12. What are the values we are getting? First, if we are taking, what is the least value among all these? Minus 4. If we are taking minus 4, it will be 8. Next, if we are taking minus 3, how much the value? It is equal to 0. If we are taking minus 2, we are getting minus 6. If we are taking minus 1, what is the value of minus 1? Minus 10. If we are taking 0, if we take 0, how much we will got? Minus 12. If we are taking 1, if we take 1, how much we got? Minus 12. If we take 2, how much we got? Minus 10. If we take 3, how much? Minus 6. If we take 4, how much we got? 0. If we take 5, how much we got? 8. So these values we got. Okay, this is the table. So now I want to take points minus 4 comma 8. So here the point minus 4 comma 8, minus 3 comma 0, minus 2 comma minus 6, minus 1 comma minus 10. So the least value is minus 12 by value. The maximum value is 8. So now I want to take a coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is negative side of y-axis, this is negative side of x-axis. Okay, now the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Next, so maximum of positives are 8, minimum of positives are minus 12. So I am taking minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Now first point minus 4 comma 8. So x minus 4, y 8. So minus 4, 8. So we are taking minus 4, 8. Next minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0, this point. Next minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 comma minus 6. This is minus 2 comma minus 6. Next minus 1 comma 10. Minus 1 comma minus 10. So here the point minus 1 comma minus 10. Next 0 comma minus 12. 0 comma minus 12. This. Next 1 comma minus 12. 1 comma minus 12. Next 2 comma minus 10. 2 comma minus 10. Next 3 comma minus 6. 3 comma minus 6. Next 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. 5 comma 8. 5 comma 8. So now I want to join like this. So we are not using scale. We don't want. It is not. So simply draw with a pencil. Simply. Don't use any scale. Okay. So this is the curve. It is called parabola. So this parabola which intersecting x-axis where the points minus 3 and 4. So minus 3 comma 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So this is the graphical solution of the equation x square minus 6 minus 12 equal to. Third question, second. Third question, second. P of x equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. X square minus 6x plus 9. So I am taking this polynomial, we need to find out the zeros of this polynomial with the help of graphical representation by drawing graph. So first I am taking p of x equal to 0. If we are taking x equal to 0, p of 0 equal to 1 square, 0 square, put x equal to 0, minus 6 into 0 plus 9. So 0 minus 0 plus 9 equal to 9. So point 0 comma 9. 0 comma 9 is the point. Next, x equal to 1. If we are taking x equal to 1, p of 1 equal to 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 9. So 1 square 1 minus 6 into 1 minus 6 plus 9. 1 plus 9 10. 10 minus 6 4. So this is 4. So point is 1 comma 4. Point 1 comma 4. I am taking x equal to, we are taking x equal to p of 2 equal to 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 9. 2 square equal to 4 minus 12 plus 9. 4 minus 12, 4 plus 9 13 minus 12 1. Next p of 3. We are taking p of 3, x equal to 3, you substitute 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 9. 3 square 9 minus 18 plus 9. 9 plus 9 18 minus 18 0. P of 4. Now P of 4, x equal to 4 I am substituting 4 square minus 6 into 4 plus 9. 4 square 16 minus 64 plus 9. So this is equal to 4, x equal to I am substituting 4. If we are substituting 4, 4 square minus 6 into 4, 16 into 4, 24, not 64, 16 into 4, 64, 6 into 4, 24, 16 plus 9, 25 minus 4, 24, 1. Now P of 5. P of 5 equal to 5 square minus 6 into 5 plus 9. 5 square equal to 25, 6 into 5, 30 plus 9. 25 plus 9, 34 minus 30 equal to 4. 34 minus 30 equal to 4. Now one more P of 6 I am finding. 6 square minus 6 into 6 plus 9. 6 square equal to 36. 6 into 6, 36 plus 9. 36, 36 cancel, we are getting 9. So these are the values. So if we are taking like these are increasing, like these are also increasing. So I am taking better x, y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. First 0. If we are substituting 0, what will we get? 9. 1. If we substitute 1, we got 4. 2. If we substitute 2, we will get a 1. 3. If we substitute 3, we got a 0. 4. If we substitute 4, we got 1. 5. If we substitute 5, we got a 4. Next 6. So if we substitute 6, we get a 9. So this is the table. Now I want to draw graph. X-axis, y-axis, negative side of x-axis, negative side of the y-axis. Now this is the intersection of origin. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simply on x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. So y-axis up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y-axis also 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Scale is very important. Now 0, 9. If we are taking 0, we get 0, 9 point. Next 1, 4. 1, 4. This is 1, 4. Next 2, 1. 2, 1. Next 3, 0. 3, 0. Next 4, 1. 4, 1. Next 5 4, 5 taking 4. Next 6 9, 6 9. So now we join without using scale. Simply take like somewhat curve, not exactly straightened. If we join all these points, so we got a parabola again. We got parabola. So this parabola which is intersecting x-axis at only one point, x equal to 3. So here 3 is the only zero. So 3 is the zero of the polynomial according to the graph also. So therefore x equal to 3 is the only zero of the given polynomial. This is the graphical representation.